Welcome to this Hawksite training video. Click on Monitor and Review on the top ribbon on the Project Portal page. This page shows two Boston matrices. On the left is the current risk matrix. This shows the risk profile of the current risk assessment. The matrix on the right shows a residual risk matrix. This is the result of the residual risk once you have simulated some changes. You can see the numbers of the risks in each block on both matrices. If you click on a particular block, an abbreviated risk register will open showing only those risks. To simulate changes in order to show the resultant residual risk, you can click on one of the 5 options on the right column. You can simulate changes to threat level, criticality level, target attractiveness, and the level of effectiveness of both protective and reactive security controls. You can make changes in one or more of these 5 categories. This simulator function is useful when considering options to reduce the overall risk profile of a project by implementing controls, reducing target attractiveness, or by simulating how the risk profile of a project might be affected by an increase or decrease in threat level. In this way, you can identify where you need to focus your attention. You should start with the highest risks on the top right of the matrix and then work down and left until you can get all risks within your risk tolerance, which is normally defined as getting risks into the yellow, green, or blue area of the matrix. When you change the current value in either of the 5 sections to a simulated value, this will have an effect in the calculation of residual risk and will be shown on the residual risk matrix. When simulating changes to the security controls, you can make changes to one control at a time or to all controls at once by clicking Change All PSC Controls on the top right and then select the rating for all of them. The same option to change all RSC controls is available under the Reactive Security Control option. Once you have made all the changes you wish to, click on Simulator. You will see the changes in the residual risk matrix. All the changes you have made will be shown in the column at the right of the matrices. When reporting, you may wish to use this simulator to show the impact of the recommendations you have made. You can show the current risk profile and the effect of the recommendations that you've made. You will also be able to see at the top of each matrix the current and residual financial exposure. This uses the numbers that you set when defining consequence. This may assist in establishing the cost benefit of implementing one or more controls or the potential increase in financial exposure of an increased threat level. Thanks.